Start an in your home service. Have you considered a home company? Are you a college student? Perhaps you're trying to invest in cash or something to help with tuition. A remain at home mama in need of additional money to pay some bills. Just recently retired and also not all set to sit around all the time. Running a net-based organization may be simply things you require to maintain in your head in the video game. Today, the opportunity of earning money utilizing the net is a truth. The concern is, where do I begin? What do I require? Will it set you back a great deal of money to begin? You should ask yourself these inquiries first. How much money and time am I prepared to put into this organized venture? To be sure, a home-based business company needs to be dealt with just like any other business endeavor. It will certainly and also need to be a time, financial investment, and obviously you will need to invest some money. The bright side is that the money as well as time invested is nowhere near the same amount of time and cash required to start a brick and mortar company. An online business can become fully automated, calling for no greater than 2 or 3 hours a day. The beautiful part of any kind of home-based company is this can all achieve utilizing your computer, which, if utilizing a laptop, you can take with you. So you can be resting anywhere in the world and be carrying out organization. Allowed to look at some of the opportunities and also methods for your online service. Without doubt, becoming an associate is just one of the most convenient methods of getting going. What, you may ask, is an associate? Each time you consider a website, normally if you scroll to the bottom, you may see the word associate. When clicking on the web link, you will certainly see an invite to promote the website. Merely fill in the required. And also currently you are an affiliate. Of course, that is just a start. What you do next will determine success or failure. If you advertise the site correctly, someone sees the website via your link and also buys. You simply made your initial compensation. Your cost is the time and cash purchasing the promotion. It can be as basic as having a calling card printed with your link. Just hand your card to anyone you think may be interested, as well as by telling them and recommending them the website you are advertising your organization. Possibly it will be a site that can be promoted in the local newspaper identification section in individual areas. Maybe the business section. Use your imagination as well as opt for your ideas. Hats, t-shirts, bumper stickers, word of mouth. Simply obtain the word out. Run with your suggestions. Place them right into play as well as have a good time with it. Imprint every one of the above with your web link, which might resemble this: http://www.hotlink with whatever Many individuals have turned eBay into a home-based business. There are several great books and training courses available that can refrain a description of beginning an eBay.com service justice. eBay.com itself on their site offers several tips on exactly how to get going. My recommendation is to look at the eBay.com site initially. You will certainly find some great details on the website itself. Getting excellent feedback is extremely crucial. Begin by purchasing a couple of items initially, pay without delay, provide the seller an excellent rating, as well as ask for the exact same in return. Later, on search in your neighborhood bookstore or online, pick a book on eBay marketing and have a good read. What to offer? Begin with things around your house, or most likely to the regional garage sale, as well as look for things you might have the ability to purchase. Keep in mind that you mean to resell the item on eBay.com, so negotiate a small cost. It's all about making profit. Having your very own website today is as easy as it has actually ever been. Utilize your website to market your affiliate products, or it might be something you generate or a product you buy to market. A quick review. Money and time dedication. Just how much of both do you want to invest? Become an also affiliate and promote a product and become a resource of details for somebody else. Begin a company utilizing eBay.com as your marketing system. Develop your very own website or have a person do that for you. Utilize the website to advertise your products or an item or info supplied by a third party. Next off, you will certainly want to draw in possible consumers to your website. This will certainly take time to study, but again, there is a great deal of info around. Some totally free and some once again with a very little expense to you. Check out everything you can. Consider various sources, as well as make great strong choices based upon what you assume is reasonable, as well as fits with what you want to purchase, time and money. Now I hope you've learned something from this. It's my intentions to help you. If you like my videos, please press the like below, bell up the top, with all alongside of it, press that, and they'll inform you when I put another video up if you want to watch any more of mine. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.